What's up? This Tay of John's Restoration. We just bought y'all footage of Nick's car. We're about to show y'all right now the first stage of putting the ice down. My dad in here about to start clearing. We're going to show y'all the whole process. This coat he putting down right now is the first coat. This we got all the ice in it to give it the glittery effect. See, we put a number of clear coats on the car to make them come out shinier. It's the man behind the plan to do all the painting and everything. You see, that's that first coat. Just the ice. Make sure we get up under all your panels. Make sure you got clear on all panels of the car. We don't have to do it. Like I said, we ain't got your car around a lot of people. When it's time to get the finished product, you come in, you do it yourself. Everybody watch from the outside. Everybody ain't gonna be all over your car. Like I said, this is that first coat with all the ice. Next is gonna come the clear coat. And we do put more than one clear coat on your car. The effect coming with the ice effect coming. Then when you put the clear on it, it'll bring the ice out. That's where you get your shiny look from. But we don't do single stage paint jobs. Taking y'all behind the scenes, showing you how everything is done. We done bought y'all step by step all the way here. We still gonna continue to bring you steps until we finish. Like I said, it's about 7:30 on a Friday night, so we are dedicated to our customers. See, when you start clearing, you get in this mode, doing everything else out, concentrate on the car, get the job done. As you can see, we just laid down our first coat with the ice. Keeping the process going. That's all panels. See everybody looking from the outside. Just him getting in, he do what he gotta do. We're gonna bring y'all some more footage from the next coat, showing y'all how we're gonna bring the clear out. Like I said, we in here Friday night, 7:30, getting everything done. In this mode. We just showed y'all the little joking and playing. This is when we really get down to business, because this is going to be the final outcome of the car. It clears everything. It brings out the color of the car. As you see, we did the grill too. Had ice in the grill. We don't have to do it. We do all parts. Once again, look at that number. 757-713-2277. John's Restoration. See, he ain't here getting it done. There go Nick looking from the outside, everybody else. Make him look in. Concentrate. When it's time to work, it's just him. I mean, only in here because I'm giving y'all the footage, giving y'all the breakdown. showing y'all how we actually do it step by step. Car been in here for about a week, making sure it's come out right. So when y'all see it hit the street, y'all know it was done right. Right now, that's the second coat of ice. You don't just put a little bit of ice. You make sure you got a lot of ice and your glitter really gonna come out. That was the second coat. And then when we put down the pinstripe, as you see, we do clear over it. So there's no way your pinstripe will peel if you decide to get pinstripe designs or anything like that. John's Restoration, we do it unique. And when I say unique, I mean unique. Behind the scenes, he ain't saying nothing to y'all because he in his mode. Once again, it's that first coat of ice. Next gonna be the clear. What's up, man?
What up?
People kind of mad you won't say nothing to them.
You gotta concentrate when you're laying down the ice. You gotta be all even, it gotta be all proportional. You can't have no tiny stripes or nothing in the ice. Gotta be laid down even in order for the paint job to come out good.
You heard it from the man, telling you how it's done. We're gonna bring y'all some more footage with the next coat of that first coat of clear. Alright.